In this video, we're going to cover more set methods. So we just saw a few of the set methods for mathematical set operations, union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. In this video, we're going to see a few more that add and remove elements. So we have to remember that sets are mutable. They can be changed. This is like lists. Lists are also mutable, but unlike tuples, which are immutable and cannot be changed. So let's first learn how to add an element to a set. So once you already have your set and you want to add another one, so here is the set S, right? It has a few elements. It actually has a tuple in here. So to add is we use the add method. So this is not addition. This is how you literally just add one more element. And here we can just put in a new string. We'll just say maybe the programming language Java. So this operates in place. So you go over here. It operates in place. And now this is in our set. If we try to add an element that is already there, such as say 51, when we look at S, we will see that nothing has happened. There is no error. It just doesn't really do anything. All right, so that's how you add new elements. You can, of course, remove an element. And there is the remove method. So let's go ahead and remove, say, 51. This will do so in place. Notice there's nothing returned over here, so we're actually mutating the underlying set. So that looks good. If you try to remove an element that does not exist, you will get an error. So here's 99. It says key error. All right, so there is no 99. Therefore, you cannot remove it. So one thing that is interesting is that there's a separate method for remove, and it's called discard. So discard does remove elements if they are there, but does nothing if they are not there. So if you want to just try to remove it and not produce an error in your program, you could use discard. So let's run this, and I can keep running this. You can see the number go up. I can run it as many times as I want. I will not get an error. Now, of course, it still does remove. Let's just look at S real quick. Let's discard Python. And now you can see that it is gone. All right, so that is how you add and remove elements. Now, there are several more methods. I'm not going to cover them in this video. They're just not as important. You can look at how update works. We already covered a lot of these, right? Union, symmetric difference. Pop will remove elements as well. This one kind of just removes one at random. It's kind of strange. You can copy a set, like make a brand new copy. You can clear it out. That means just make an empty set. So we've actually covered most of the main ones. So you can go ahead and explore a lot of these on your own. Hopefully now you're at this part of the course where you feel comfortable working with the methods, reading the documentation, and then just experimenting and see what happens. That is actually a great way to learn. You might not understand it exactly, but if you just call the method with different inputs and just look at the result, you'll get a really good understanding of what actually happens. All right, so that is it for these other set methods.